Hello, my name is Calvin Mayo at Pitt Community College, Winterville, North Carolina. What you're looking at here is it's an 8-cylinder Stirling cycle engine. It's got 4 power pistons and 4 displacer pistons. It's got a unique dual swash plate design that changes from linear motion to rotary motion. It's butane powered. Let me light this thing. I turn on the gas, light the burners. We'll give it a few seconds so it can heat up properly to operate. And there we go. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.